Oh my god. Hello, welcome back. It's me, Chess, and today we are going to be opening not one, not two, but 3 glossy boxes. So if you haven't been watching my videos recently, you wouldn't know, but I have actually recently moved house and it has been a whirlwind, let me tell you. And I have had parcels misdelivered and I've been so busy with so many different bills and getting the house together and little bits and bobs that unfortunately glossy box has gone right over my head, and I've been really wanting to do this video, so let's just get into it straight away. So I'm just going to start off by doing the most recent glossy box to the oldest. So this is the April glossy box, March, February. So here are all 3 boxes. Crazy. One of them is really heavy. I'm not sure which one that is. Gotta figure that out. Let's start off with April's box, and I'm so excited for this. I want to see what's in it. What's inside? What's inside? I have no idea what's inside. Ugh. I hate these boxes. They always take so long to open. So we have got just another regular pink box for April, which is a shame because, you know, you kind of want something new and springy, maybe some greens or purple or something like that. But no, a pink one, it's all good. And we got some treats like usual, tails.com. And this is 1 month of tailor-made kibble for any of those people who have a dog. And HelloFresh, another one of these. They really want you to enjoy HelloFresh. Glossy boxes trying to make you aware of that. Eat the greens. Now for the unveiling, and I haven't seen this, so let's see it together. It's just another black ribbon. Not an exciting ribbon, just a dark black ribbon that can come in handy for many products. And then we have the little, little scan card, Spring Awakening. And then we're going to open this. Oh, black snakes. Ooh, wow. I'm going to have so many snakes all over my floor. My kids are going to go wild. Oh, wow. So these are the products in the box. And the first one is, oh my god, I was thinking about this. So this is the Is 60 Clean, ISO Clean, and I think I've seen Soph Does Life and Emma Johnson. Either way, Emma's Rectangle. They have both used this and they've sworn by it, and it's a brush cleaner, and I have always wanted to get my hands on that, so I'm so happy that I've got this. Oh my god, I'm gonna test it out. Got my little tissue, and I've got my Harry Potter brush, and it's got some product on it just like that, if you can see that. And apparently you just spray this onto the brush and wipe away. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I've sprayed it onto the paper, just getting in there. Oh my god, it's so clean. Oh my god, and it's not even wet either. That is so good. I can't wait to use that on all of my brushes. Thank you, Glossy Box. This is a product that I will get so much use out of. This is amazing. I love this so much. Okay, that is going to be the hardest one to beat. Next up though is something mineral bronzer. What's mineral bronzer? Oh, okay. This is loose bronzing powder. Wow, this looks really nice, to be honest. Got this plastic thingy that won't ever come off. Okay. It just looks like that. Wow, that is so beautiful. But what's with these holes? There's holes in there, but product doesn't come out of them. Is it just to show that there could have been holes, but you just didn't want to take that extra step, or just decorative? But either way, it's a loose bronzing powder, which looks really, really cool, and I cannot wait to try that. And it's in the colour Starshine, which is such a beautiful name. Okay, moving on. We've got this little green jelly, and it's Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. Wow, this is like one of the best glossy bucks that I've seen in a while. These products are actually all useful. So this is the bottle, this beautiful emeraldy green, which is my birthstone. May's coming up next, can't wait. And Bridgerton. If you like Bridgerton, comment down below, because it's coming out on my birthday, the 16th. It's gonna be great. So yeah, this is just apply a generous coat on clean skin and rinse after 10 minutes. This is gonna be so good. If they have a bigger one of this, I might actually buy one. Okay, next we have this cute little, I'm guessing maybe a blush. It says Regal on it, and it looks quite pinkish. So, okay, alright, look at that beautiful packaging. Ulak, from the Ulak clan. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look stunning? And then, wow, the shine. So I'm guessing this is a highlighter. I thought it was a blush, but maybe it's just a coloured blush. But it doesn't say that. It just says Regal on it. A soft sponge-like crease-free eyeshadow. Oh, it's eyeshadow. Is infused with luxurious pearlescent pigments to deliver a veil of ultralight, versatile colours in a light, reflective shimmer finish that lasts all day, apparently. That looks amazing. I can't wait to try that. It's kind of my shade. Kind of go for that. Nice. That is really, really nice. Honestly, this box is the best box I have had in a while. And then lastly, something again that looks like it's actually going to be useful. I think it's a pencil. It says Smoky Shade Up, so I think it's a fair assumption. Oh, it's a brush. Oh, I think I was given another brush like this. Hold on. Yes, I was given the exact same brush in a different glossy box. Actually, no. This is a different brush, to be fair, because this is rounded and this is fluffy. So this is more of a bit there, and that's a So yeah, that's really helpful. More brushes, can't go wrong with more brushes. All of this is so useful. I can't believe it. I mean, look at it. Look, it's so good. I'm gonna get a lot of I'm going to get a lot of use out of all of these products, I can tell you that now. That ISO clean, I'm so happy. That's what I am. So happy, and obviously clean. So yeah, that's going to be cool. Very, very cool. Now we're going to move on to the next box. Ooh, okay. We've got some more tiles. If I had a dog, it'd be very well fed by now. Wild. This is the disposable... Is it called smelly stuff? Deodorant, yeah. It's a refillable deodorant. And then another HelloFresh. Eat HelloFresh. Just eat it. And then we have a different box. It looks like that. It's so pretty. See, that's stunning. That is stunning. Now we are going to unveil together. And it's got a pretty pink bow. Woo! And we're gonna rip open the paper because we're not fancy. Woo! Okay. Got some pink snakes this time. And here's all the products. First up is floss. This is a highlighter, I think. It says highlighter illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. And it just looks like this. It's a beautiful kind of golden colour. And it is very, very soft. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is gorgeous. That is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. You can use that as a highlighter or an eyeshadow, to be fair. Next we have this beautiful thing. I don't know what it is. It's the Ritual of Sakura, so that means cherry blossoms. I can't tell if it's soap or some kind of gel. What are you? What are you? Are you perfume? Are you gel? Are you a body wash? What are you? Okay. Ah, that is definitely like a very flowery kind of gel. Oh, it's hand wash. Okay, I couldn't see that. It's like right there. Hand wash. That's nice. I like that. I gotta get all of this goo off my hands. There we go. Moving on. So the next one is Medicate Surface Radiance Cleanse. A cleansing gel, resurfacing something. Every morning and evening, apply Surface Radiance Cleanse into the palm of hand and massage in the moistened face and neck. For sensitive or dry skin, use up to once a day or whenever a deeper cleanse is required. Sounds good, sounds good. It's some kind of facial wash. Smells, I think, good. It smells like lemons. It smells like sherbet lemons. It's amazing. Next we have a shampoo. Cleansing shampoo. Inner Sense. Color Awakening Bath. Okay. Oh my god, that smells like oranges. I'm like getting a whole pina colada or something going on here. I'm ordering a whole cocktail here. Okay, so I've got a shampoo and a conditioner of Inner Sense Color Radiance, so it's for coloured skin, coloured hair, you muppet. Yeah, so that sounds really, really good. I can't wait to give these a little try. This says I am healthy and vibrant, and this says I am energetic and I let my inner light shine. How sweet is that? So that was the March box, and March is in Mother's Day, and I've got to say, a lot of this just kind of gives me wash yourself, wash now. That's what I'm getting from this, but also add a little bit of highlighter. It was a good box. Could have maybe, I don't know, I guess it's a skin box, so you're not always going to get makeup products, but these are really good. Like, I mean, they look good. I haven't tried them yet, so I've got to figure that out. But yeah, they look really nice and they smell really good. And I mean, for $11.99, you can't really go wrong with it. Last box and lightest box. Okay, guys, we have another pink box on its way. With another HelloFresh and another Tails. And the pink box. So, gonna open up February. It's another black bow. And then we're gonna open up the paper. Oh, I got a sponge. can't go wrong with another sponge. Oh gosh, these things. Oh. Okay, so what's next? Have a sponge by Sophia and Mabel. Very nice. Oh my god, I love this. This is a photo face. This is a primer, and I got this a while ago. I also bought another one for myself, and I love it. This is something that I do generally really rate. This is a good product. Next up, we have a little perfume. Avant, like avant-garde. Oh my god. It smells like bubbles. And like a beautiful flowery scent. Oh my god, I love this. That's inhaled perfume. Very strong. Very good. Very happy. It's called Persian Sunset. Oh, it smells so good. Next we have a dewy blush, skin tint. Open this up and oh, it's this teeny tiny little blush. Okay, oh gosh, this little tube. Whoa, that is very nice. That is actually a really nice tone for your skin. That's really pretty. A little product goes a long way. I mean, look at that. That's really nice. And that's by Ciate. Yeah, nice. And the last product is, I don't know. Oh, it's a lip gloss. And it's called Verdict. Oh, that's a really nice cover. Ooh, okay. My arm is being covered. That is a lovely, natural, pinkish shade. I really like that. That might be my go-to gloss to put in my makeup bag for, you know, traveling and stuff. I really like that. So, all of these products have been absolutely amazing. I am so happy, so grateful to have all these products. Have to say though, my favourite box of all of this was definitely April. But in February's box, there are so many products that I generally will love for a very long time. And I'm very looking forward to trying out the March products as well. So this has been really exciting. I can't wait to try these in videos and things like that. So yeah, this has been fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video and this little unboxing with me. And yeah, hopefully you get your own glossy box too and enjoy all of these products, because I am going to for sure. So yeah, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.